Hi friends, my name is Jack and I'm the father of a special needs young adult son with Angelman syndrome who uses Proloquo2go on his iPad to communicate. And if you're like us, you might have multiple devices and you face the challenge of how to keep them all up to date and in sync so that you don't have to move the same buttons and recreate things on different devices. So I'm going to show you what I do, the quick and easiest way to do this with Airdrop. Now, out of necessity, we have multiple devices, and Jake gets really frustrated if he's working on his iPad and I want to take it away to make some edits and do various things for him. So, out of necessity, I do my editing on a different device, maybe my iPhone, maybe our backup iPad, and then I save a backup of that. And then there are multiple ways to transfer backups, but nothing beats Airdrop for speed and simplicity. So I'm going to show you how it works. First, on the bottom right of your Proloquo2go screen, tap the gear icon. Scroll down the list to backup. If you have multiple users, you could choose to back up all, but I only need to back up Jake's user, so I'll select the bottom option. You'll see the backup being created, and when it completes, you're back on the backup screen. Now select Export Backup and choose from the list of backups which you want. The most recent backup should be on the top, so I'll tap on that. Next, I'll choose how to export it. In here, I will tap on Share. Now, I can choose Airdrop as my sharing method, and it will display a list of the nearby devices that have Airdrop enabled to receive files. I'll tap to send to Jake's cellular iPad, and then I'll need to switch over to that iPad to complete the process. Okay, now I'm on the other iPad, and when I send the file, I get an Airdrop notification, and I can choose to open it with Proloquo2go. Next, I'll see a pop-up window with the name of the file and asking if I want to restore the app to the backup later or restore now. I'll choose Restore Now. Now it asks me if I want to restore the existing Jake Blovitz user or to restore it to a new user profile. I'll tap to restore to the existing Jake Blovitz user. And now, after a few seconds, that new backup with all the changes I made on the other device are now in place on this iPad, and I can give it back to my impatient son. Usually, right after I make any significant changes on one of the devices, I'll make a backup and I'll airdrop it to the other iPad and to my iPhone. Then, the next time I need to make some changes, I can go to any of those devices and do my editing, and then airdrop to the other ones, not frustrating my son. So, I hope that helps, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to know about Proloquo2go or if you have any questions that I can help you with. Thanks.